Hey, what's up? And for this week's Wholesome Wednesday video, which is actually the first official Wholesome Wednesday video, because the last one was just kind of an explanation, this one's also going to be a pretty small video because it is about 10:50 now, great, in the morning, and I have stuff to do at 1, and it's July 4th, that's why I have this nice little doodle right here, and, I got a lot of stuff to do, so I'll probably end up editing this on my phone, which will be the first video I ever edited on my phone, so I'm just hoping it turns out okay. But, so that's why I'm actually talking really fast, too, because I was trying to wake myself up at 8 to work on this video, then tired me was like, nah, you can just go back to bed. So, that didn't go well. But, it's okay, because for today's Wholesome Wednesday video, please, it's July 4th, I know everyone wants, fireworks and big explosions at the party all night, but just keep your neighbors in mind. You never know, like, there's a lot of veterans who have problems with fireworks, and a lot of people like that who have, PTSD and similar issues where it's, it's hard for them to listen to fireworks all night. So just, keep that in mind when you are setting off fireworks, but also keep in mind, I come from a big family, just keep in mind little kids in your neighborhood too, because, you could very easily keep them up all night if you're setting off fireworks all night. So please just be considerate of that. Be considerate of others. If you're going somewhere to watch fireworks, only, leave footprints and memories or whatever they have on those signs at the beaches. Don't leave garbage, pick something up. If you do see other people leaving their garbage, maybe just try and pick it up. That'd be good. That's a good thing to do, for the environment, everything. Just be considerate of others for today's Wholesome Wednesday. I know this video isn't probably what you guys all expected for a Wholesome Wednesday video, but it can make a world of difference. And also just be kind to others. Just use common sense and be kind, Just also always share. If you see some people, you got some extra snacks, be like, yo, you want to come over, sit on our blanket and have some extra snacks? Or, invite some people over for a barbecue, maybe some neighbors you don't usually talk to, or whatever. Just spread happiness. That's really what it comes down to. I know this, I like to have examples for Wholesome Wednesday, of me actually doing these things, but I'm on a very short time frame today, that's why I just checked my watch. So just be a good person, just spread happiness and do everything you can, and hopefully I'll see you next Wednesday for a legitimate Wholesome Wednesday video, but just, try to make sure everyone has a good July 4th. Thank you. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff, and also feel free to tell me about your July 4ths in the comments below, because I'd love to hear about them, maybe what fireworks you saw, but I would love to hear about, maybe your fireworks shows, or how your July 4th went, your barbecues, and all that fun stuff. So please feel free to tell me all about them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them, and I would definitely love to have a conversation about it.